Now I am going to take science 5. So I think you have completed the classwork and you have taken correction also. So if you have not taken correction, please come and take corrections. Okay children. So this is revision. Test is coming now children. So sit and practice at home. First one. First main, fill in the blanks. First one. Trees provide dash for all. So in the dash you must write SHADE, shade. Second one, some plants grow from the dash. So in the dash you must write LEAVES, leaves. Third one, roots fix the dash firmly to the soil. So in the dash you must write PLANT, plant. Fourth one, ashwagandha roots is used for dash. So in the dash you must write MEDICINE, medicine. Fifth one, we buy flowers from the dash. So in the dash you must write MARKET, market. So these are fill in the blanks. Once again I am going to read. First one, trees provide shade for all. Second one, some plants grow from the leaves. Third one, roots fix the plant firmly to the soil. Fourth one, ashwagandha roots is used for medicine. Fifth one, we buy flowers from the market. Second main, right or wrong. First one, plants do not need water. So in the bracket you put wrong. Second one, radish is a root vegetable. So in the bracket you put right. Third one, all flowers gives a good fragrance. So in the bracket you put wrong because all flowers won't give good smell. So you put wrong in the bracket. Fourth one, we must not pick flowers in the garden. So when moving in the garden you must not pluck flowers, no children. So you put right in the bracket. Fifth one, some plants grow on trees. So in the bracket you put right. Okay children. So once again I am going to read. First one, plants do not need water. Wrong. Second one, radish is a root vegetable. Right. Third one, all flowers gives a good fragrance. Wrong. Fourth one, we must not pick flowers in the garden. Right. Fifth one, some plants grow on trees. Right. Okay children. Now next third main, write two uses of each trees. First one, teak wood tree. So what are its uses? You must write any two uses. So first uses, it is used for making furniture, doors, etc. So second uses, it is used to make indoor flooring. IT, ISEs, USED used, FOR for MAKING making, FURNITURE furniture, DOORS doors, etc. etc. IT, ISEs, USED used, TO2, MAKE make, INDOOR indoor, FLOORING flooring. It is used for making furniture, doors, etc. It is used to make indoor flooring. Second one, neem tree. So for this also you must write two uses. So first use is, it is a medicine plant. It is used for fever and gum disease. So second uses, it is used for leprosy. IT, ISEs, AMEDICINE, medicine, PLANT, plant. IT, ISEs, USED used, FR for, FEVER fever, and GUM gum, DISEASE disease. IT, ISEs, USED used, FR for LEP or OSY, leprosy. It is a medicine plant. It is used for fever and gum disease. It is used for leprosy. Next, fourth main, missing letters. C dash A W L I dash G. So in the dash you must write or N. So it will become C or A W L I N G, crawling. Second one, M dash D I C I dash E S. In the dash you must write E N. So it will become MEDICINES, medicines. Third one, KA dash NAT dash KA. So in the dash you must write or A. KA or NATA KA, Karnataka. Fourth one, F dash or NI dash URE. So in the dash you must write UT. FURNITURE, furniture. Fifth one, P dash IN dash ERS. So in the dash AT. So it will become PAINTERS, painters. Sixth one, P dash or F dash ME. So in the dash you must write EU. PERFUME, perfume. Okay, children? So these are missing letters. Once again I am going to read. CRAWLING, crawling. Second one, MEDICINES, medicines. Third one, KARNATA, Karnataka. Fourth one, FURNITURE, furniture. Fifth one, PAINTERS, painters. Sixth one, PERFUME, perfume. Okay, children? So these are missing letters. Next main, fifth main, write the uses of this roots vegetable. First one, radish. So what are its uses? You must write. It is used as a medicine for stomach, liver problems and intestinal bile. IT it, ISEs, USED used, AS as MEDICINE, medicine, FR for STOMACH, stomach, LIVAR, liver, PROBLEMS, problems, and INTESTINAL, intestinal, BILE, bile. It is used as a medicine for stomach, liver problems and intestinal bile. Second one, carrot. It is good for our eyes. It protects from the sun. It is good for digestive health. IT it, ISEs, GOD, good, FR for over our, EYES, eyes, IT it, PROTECTS, protects, FROM from, THE, SUN, sun, IT it, ISEs, GOD, good, FR for DIGESTIVE, digestive, HEALTH, health. It is good for our eyes. It protects from the sun. It is good for digestive health. Next is answer the following. First one, what do trees provide us? Answer, trees provide shade for us. TREES, trees. PROVIDE, provide. SHADE, shade. FR for USS, trees provide shade for us. Second one, write the names of 5 plants that grow in forest. Answer, drumstick, radish, spinach, mint, amaranthus. drumstick, drumstick. radish, radish. spinach, spinach. mint, mint. amaranthus, amaranthus. Drumstick, radish, spinach, mint, amaranthus. Third one. Where do the roots of a plant grow? Answer. The roots of the plant grow under the soil. TH with the ROOTS roots. OF of TH with the PLANT plant. GROW grow. UNDER under. TH with the SOIL soil. The roots of the plant grow under the soil. Next, fourth one. What are the uses of rose? Answer. We can extract perfume from rose. We prepare a sweet called gulkan from rose. WVCAN can. EXTRACT extract. PERFUME perfume. FROM from ROSE rose. WEPRE prepare. SWEET sweet. CALLED called. GULKAND gulkan. FROM from ROSE rose. We can extract perfume from rose. We prepare a sweet called gulkan from rose. Okay, children. So these are the question answers. Once again, I am going to read. What do trees provide us? Trees provide shade for us. Write the names of 5 plants that grow in forest. Drumstick, radish, spinach, mint, amaranthus. Third one. Where do the roots of a plant grow? Answer. The roots of the plant grow under the soil. Fourth one. What are the uses of rose? We can extract perfume from rose. We prepare a sweet called gulkan from rose. Okay, children, any doubt children? So this is test revision papers. So sit and practice at home in the rough note 2 or 3 times and read children. Thank you children.